Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we have another video on credit cards. The first step to becoming an adult, in my opinion, is building credit, building your own credit so you can eventually buy a house. And let me tell you right now, guys, even if you go rent a house or an apartment, your landlord or landlady still might check your credit score. So I think it's really important to build credit if you guys are in high school and if you guys are in college or going to college. So today in this video, I'm gonna give you guys 5 credit cards that are going to be great for building credit if you guys don't have any credit, if you guys are in college and you guys just want to start building credit, get your first credit card, or if you guys are even from abroad. I don't know, you guys maybe are from Europe or Asia, and you guys want to have a credit card to use in America. I even have a card for that. If you guys don't know, I love collecting credit cards. And trust me, guys, I'm in college myself, and I think these cards are going to be super helpful to you guys. So, I mean, what else can I say? So let's get into the video. Let's go. So to start out the video, before I get into all the cards, I just want to say the first card, or first and second card actually, on this list is from a company that if you guys have been watching my channel, you guys are well aware of. And you guys know that this is where I've started. And I'm talking about Discover It. The first credit card from Discover that I have for you guys that are in college specifically is gonna be the Discover It Student Chrome card. And with this card, you're gonna earn 2% back on restaurants and gas. Unlike the other card that we're gonna talk about, this card does not have a rotational category. And with the Discover It Student Chrome card, you're gonna get 1% back on all other purchases. Another great thing about this card is gonna be the 0% annual fee. And with the Discover It Student Chrome card, you're gonna get $20 statement credit every year if you guys maintain a GPA above 3.0. $20 may not seem like a lot in a year, but it's better than nothing in my opinion. So with that, we're gonna hop into the next credit card, which is really similar, but there is a difference. It's gonna be the Discover It Student Cashback card. And this card offers a 5% cashback rotating rewards program. What that means is throughout the year, there are gonna be categories and you're gonna save 5% back on each of them. I'm gonna put everything up that is similar with the Discover Student Chrome right now. And something that I wanna mention now is that you're gonna be able to apply for both these cards. Apparently, according to Discover, you can apply for both of these cards without any FICO credit history. So this is great if this is your first credit card and you're in college. You guys can just apply right away and get approved. And now, if you guys don't get approved somehow, I do suggest you guys get a secured card from Discover and start from there. Just like with these 2 cards and every card that I'm going to mention, all these cards have a mobile app platform where you can access your card balance, your credit limit. If you guys need to see your balance, you guys can just open up, check it real quick. So these are going to be really convenient for students. So it's not going to be ancient where you're going to have to, call them or I don't know, wait for the mail. Let me know, guys, which one you guys are preferring. And we're going to move on to the next credit card. And this, as I mentioned, is going to be a credit card for foreigners. This is going to be a credit card for people who are studying abroad in America. So for example, if you guys are from China or Europe or Australia and you guys don't have social security or credit history in the United States, this card is going to be perfect for you guys. It's going to be called the Deserve EDU MasterCard for Students. It has 0% annual fee. You guys can get approved without having a social security number or credit history. And you guys received a 1-year membership with Amazon Prime if you guys spend $500 in the first 3 months of having this card. And with the Deserve EDU card, you're gonna get 1% back on all other purchases. And if you guys refer a friend with this card, you guys can also get $30 statement credit for yourself and the person you refer. And with this card, there's no international transaction fee. So you guys will be traveling with confidence and not have to worry about getting charged fees when you guys spend it here and there. Congratulations if you guys are coming from abroad and you guys are looking for a credit card. And again, this has a mobile app that you guys can download on your iPhone or Android. Oh, I need some water. Whoa, I'm talking a lot. So the next credit card that I have is going to be the Bank of America Cash Rewards for Students. This card has come up to me because of something I like to call sign-up bonus. And the first thing I like to mention is that you guys get a $200 cash rewards bonus if you guys spend $1,000 in the first 3 months of getting this card. With this Bank of America card, I suggest that you guys maybe wait a little bit after you're getting your Discover or EDU card. It might be a little more dependent on your credit history than the previous cards. Now they're still going to be student cards, and they're going to be really good for students and starting out and building your credit, but this is obviously not ideal to apply for your first credit card. Maybe your second. Definitely make sure to think about your Discover card options. So $200 back after spending $1,000 that you're gonna spend already is a really good bonus. Not to mention the cashbacks that this card has. You're gonna be getting 3% back of your choice in either gas, online shopping, dining, travel, drugstores, or home improvements and furnishing. And then 2% cash back at grocery stores, wholesale clubs, and 1% back on all other purchases. 1% back again on all other purchases. This is what I'm talking about when I say stop using your debit cards, and as a student, maybe think about using your credit card instead to build your credit while also saving yourself 1%. I don't think I would suggest a credit card for students or people starting out unless it was 0% annual fee, and this card is just that. And obviously, again, with this card, you can open an app and even check your FICO credit score that's updated monthly, and it's obviously free access once you get approved for them. With the Bank of America Cashback Student Card, you're gonna have the first 12 months of 0% APR, and then after that, it's gonna depend on your credit worthiness. Now, again, guys, if you guys pay in full and don't carry balance to the next month, every month, you guys won't have to worry about APR. So we're gonna move on to another credit card for college students and students in general. This credit card is gonna be the Capital One Journey Student Credit Card. And with this, again, we're gonna start out 0% annual fee right off the bat. You're gonna get unlimited 1% cash back on everything you buy. And if you pay on time that month, they're gonna move it up to 1.25% cash back. So as long as you guys pay on time and you guys are responsible, they're gonna make your life a little bit better. As always with Capital One, in my experience, they're really simple, straightforward. They don't have anything thrown at you. They're a great company to start building your credit, building your credit history. Again, you guys have all these options. So I'm putting this card as my 5th and last credit card because of how simple and how direct it is. There's really no extra cash back. It's really simple. You get that 1% and then 1.2 when you pay on time. 0% annual fee again. So with all these cards, you guys can hold it for as long as you'd like. You guys can add credit cards later on, but these credit cards you can hold forever and build your credit. So with that wraps up all the credit cards that I have for you guys. If you guys are students, I hope you guys are doing great, starting your fall semester off really well. We're about to get into winter.
Winter is coming.
I'm sure for a lot of people, college debt is really scary. So I know every dollar, every penny you guys can save is another penny that you guys can put towards your student loan. I know that a lot of you guys in college are really responsible with your money, and you guys are watching it and you guys are trying to save as much as you can. So I hope that I helped you guys and maybe trying to figure out where to start in building credit. And if you guys are wondering what credit cards I've had and what I've gotten over the past year, you guys can check my video on credit cards out. I hope you guys review all these cards and look into how it personally can help you, because I know obviously everyone has a different situation. For maybe for these cards, you guys have a different situation that might work for you. So again, guys, thank you guys for watching. If you guys like the content, again, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, and share if you guys have friends that might need a credit card, might want to build credit. And if you guys have any questions, definitely comment below. I'll get back to you guys as soon as possible. And with that, guys, I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out.